friends, Clover and Crown here. It's a very snowy day and my boyfriend's outside shoveling, so excuse any funky noises, but we're gonna hop into a quick big box and Amazon haul. It's pretty small. I don't really overbuy, I don't think, when I shop for supplies. I usually just try to grab things that I think I'm going to use up or will, add to the stash and the types of projects I want to do in the near future, or just things I don't want to miss out on. So I have a few things I bought from Amazon to beef up my stash. I'm kind of running low on silly supplies like head pins and stuff. So we'll get right into it. So first, I'm going to go ahead and open my Amazon package. I think there should be only like 2 things in here. So I was running out of supplies and I've made a lot of earrings. And now that I'm selling my jewelry, I kind of use more than I was before. Oh, so I think this actually, yep, there's 2 packages in here. So these are Unicraftable, a mixed box of earrings, and they have like a hole in them. I'll go ahead and open them up so you can see. So I plan to use these on some projects, and what I liked about these, I wish there was a bigger package to buy, and I might look to see if there is, but what I like about these ones are they have the stud with the hole, actually. So they already have a hole where you can attach your jump rings. So I got these to try them out to see if I like them for my style of polymer clay earrings, which I think I might share some of that here. And sometimes I have some air dry pieces that I was thinking of connecting to them too. But these were one thing that I purchased, and if I like them, I'll probably get more and just get a bigger amount of the different colors. This is a stainless steel kit. These are all supposed to be stainless steel. I'm moving from just kind of a hit and miss metals, because I have a big kit of things that I've purchased, my goodness. I've purchased things here and there of different metals, but I'm not sure of their quality. So with this kit, I actually know that it is supposed to be stainless steel quality. Again, I'm going to go ahead and actually write on this so that I know this whole kit is stainless steel, okay? And the reason for that is I want to make sure I know whether things are hyperallergenic or not. I have a lot of redness when I wear the wrong style, so I'm kind of moving into better quality, such as silver plated, gold plated, that kind of thing. So I wanted to make sure that I just had one kit that I could go to for that. All right, I'm going to be sharing in my next video how to make these. So before I got my haul, I actually had already dipped into them. I have a blue version that's actually not in here because I wore them to work yesterday, and so they're on my nightstand, but this is just like a braided style, wire and bead worked set, and I'll be sharing that soon. So with that, I needed more wire. So I love copper. I love rose gold and copper. Just the color of it. Big fan of redheads. I just really like this color and this tone. So this one has been used, but I just went ahead and stocked up on my wire, and you'll see I'll be using this soon. I have 20 in everything because 20 is my favorite gauge to work with, but I also did get some 22 gauge and 26 gauge for some different projects. I do have leftovers of some different colors, but as far as full rolls, I didn't have a lot to work with. So I wanted to make sure while I was trying to do a new style that I had plenty to work with. So I think that is it for the wire. I went ahead and picked up all this wire. There is also, I really wanted the thin gauge of this green, but my store did not have it. So I do have a thinner blue gauge too, which is a 20, no, it would be the 26 that I'm missing in this blue that I had ordered. But right now my big box store has curbside pickup, which is nice. So I've been trying this year, really trying not to overbuy. And it's very hard because I'm tempted. But I've also been selling things. So that makes it nice. So here are some of the beads I picked up. The beads were definitely on sale. And I think when I got the wire, I got them on different days. I think I used my coupons for the wire. Yeah, I have an app that gives me coupons. These are so pretty. It's Hildy and Joe. So these are really pretty. And I thought these would look really pretty with my polymer clay beads, because a lot of times I do like the Watercolor Technique, which is made by Jessima Tutorials. I know a lot of people actually do that technique, but oh my goodness, that's who I have watched it from. And I shouldn't impromptu grab things because I just knocked a bunch onto the floor, but say Livy. Okay, here is that watercolor style I was telling you about. These beads I thought would work really well with my style that I enjoy doing, one of my styles. So I picked these up. These turquoise stones I thought might work with, not the wire working, but they would go well with like a coordinating bracelet. I actually went to get turquoise round beads, but they were out. These are glass beads, just have a nice funky finish, kind of like splatter paint. Sorry, I bet you guys can probably hear the scraping outside. We're trying to stay up and not get buried in snow, so we have to shovel every now and then. All right, these are natural shell beads, and the color of them are really pretty. These will probably look very nice with the miracle beads, which I just got the gold ones, but these will look really good together. So I love this color palette. So this is not part of my haul, but you can kind of see I'm liking the blacks, the blues, the grays. Maybe it's because Valentine's Day is coming up and I'm not a giant pink fan, but I do like purple a lot. And then I needed more stone beads, so I'm freshening up with some tiger eye, just adding these back into my stash because I don't have any right now. And then I sold my amethyst and dragonfly necklace. Maybe I'll put a picture in of what that looked like. But I sold it in my shop, and it was one of my favorite necklaces, and everybody commented on it. So I probably won't make the same exact necklace again. Maybe this time I might change it a little bit, but I do want to make another one with similar components because this and the amethyst look so pretty together. And so I got feathers too. I think I got 2 strands, or well, really 4 strands of these amethyst beads. It's natural stone, so it could be, fluorite or not necessarily amethyst, but it has an amethyst color. And then the last thing I have for my haul are these beautiful white natural shell leaves. I'm a sucker for these flat leaves. They're just so pretty. I want to make a series of like bracelets with all these different flat leaves. They're very pretty in earrings also, but I just really love how they look flattened against the skin. And they just have that nice feel to them. I know I've said this before, but I really enjoy them. So I hope that kind of gives you an idea of what I've stocked up on. Really, it's just kind of the essentials of what I'll be working with for this month. I'll be using a lot of wire, a lot of bindings, so I had to stock up on those. The only thing that I ordered for this month that I didn't get yet is my new cutters, which I'm really excited to get. I ordered them off Etsy and they haven't shipped yet, but I have a couple different cutters that I'm excited to get so that I can finish off some polymer clay earrings. So that is pretty much the haul for February for me. I don't just like shop at the beginning of the month, but it does tend to be after I see how my shop did, my brick and mortar shop. I like to see what I sold the most of and like what styles people seem to be like more interested in, and then I like to make more of that. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for me. If you want to see what I make with this, go ahead and subscribe or watch some of my, I only have a few videos, but you can watch some of my Let's Make videos to get an idea of what style of jewelry I make. That's pretty much it. So thanks for joining me, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy